Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on notifications for your Google Photos account on your Android or mobile device really quickly. So let us get started. Now, if you'd like to get notified, for example, of your contact or friend uploading or sharing a new photo through their Google Photos account with you, for example, you may enable notifications for these activities here on Google Photos. To do that, simply follow my instructions, launch the Google Photos app on your Android, and after that, here on your home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, and from that menu below, select Photo Settings here, just like that, and here inside your Google Photo Settings, select Notifications, and last but not least, simply go through these notification settings here and enable either or disable suggested sharing, for example, printing promotions, time-based memories, creations, suggested rotations, device notifications at the bottom, for example. And that's basically it. You may simply enable or disable them by switching them on here to the right. So for example, if I'd like to turn off suggested sharing whenever I have new photos to share with my friends, simply I may disable it here to the right. And that's how you turn off or turn on notifications on Google Photos on your Android. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.